Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Just Dance on PS5 with a camera. First, connect your PlayStation camera to your PlayStation 5 console using the PlayStation camera adapter. This adapter is essential for compatibility. Next, position the camera about 6 to 8 feet away from your play area, ensuring it has a clear, wide view of all players. Finally, launch Just Dance and follow the in-game prompts to calibrate your camera for precise movement tracking. Just Dance offers two primary ways to control the game. You can use your smartphone by downloading the free Just Dance controller app, which turns your phone into a motion controller. Alternatively, the PlayStation camera directly tracks your body's movements, eliminating the need for a separate device in your hand. Choose the camera option in the game's main menu to utilize its full potential for an immersive dance experience. To maximize your Just Dance experience, prepare your play area carefully. Clear a space of at least 6 feet by 6 feet to allow for unrestricted movement and prevent accidental bumps. Ensure the room has good, even lighting, avoiding direct sunlight or strong backlighting that can interfere with camera tracking. Standing approximately 6 to 8 feet from the camera provides the best field of view for accurate motion detection. Once your camera is set up and your space is ready, it's time to dance. Navigate through the game's intuitive menu to select your favorite song and game mode. Your goal is to mimic the on-screen dancer's moves as accurately as possible. The camera will track your body, awarding you points for precision. Strive for perfect scores by matching the choreography precisely to climb the leaderboards.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.